Hello everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last many videos I have uploaded in my channel. Watch and subscribe and like it. Many intro questions and answers with accounts payable, accounts receivable and asset accounting. Now I'm going with the new video, asset accounting with the unplanned depreciation. How unplanned depreciation will go into post and which decode and how it looks like and what is the impact in the asset. So I'll show you. So let us go ahead with the one asset. I'll show you one asset. S03. I'll go 3. Enter here. Now this is an asset which I'm going to depreciate unplanned depreciation. So this is a depreciation. Unplanned depreciation is right now it is an empty, and when I'm going to post unplanned depreciation, that will going to show here. And here it is, there is no entry over here. So once it is posted, then automatically going to show you. Here it is a unplanned depreciation in posted value. Once I posted, then it will not reflect. Once I'll make a depreciation run with monthly month end process, that time it will going to show you in the this one. When I make a depreciation plan depreciation, it will show you in the next line item. In the next line item, one new line item, then I run the depreciation run, that will be accumulate in the 7th period. So let us go ahead with the one depreciation, unplanned depreciation now. So that is unplanned depreciation T code is ABAA, whereas here it is an asset I have inputted here, and now it is in a 640. What 640? 640 is a prior acquisition which you have posted, but now I'm going with the current period, whereas my current asset is in current period or current acquisition is a current period only. Now I'm going with the 650. So under unplanned depreciation on current year acquisition, if I'm going to select 640, unplanned depreciation on prior year acquisition, that is one differences. So now this is an account principal here, so you can put it on account principal if you want specific principal account, otherwise no need. And depreciation area, do we have, if you have any business requirement with a specific depreciation area, you can put here, otherwise make it blank here. Now I am going with the July for period. Wait, it is 7th period. I am going to take it. So 7th is my period here. Around 200 my unplanned depreciation here. So I'll make it unplanned depreciation description. Hit enter. Now this is on 31st July 2022, and now I'm going with the, this is a period which will take automatically now. So I'm putting line item. So see, this is an unplanned depreciation is posting to the asset 600007 with accounting determination 160070, and here it is an USD, it's an IFRS, and it's a local. So now I'm going to take tick mark here and save. Now it is saved perfectly. So I'm going with the asset now. I'm going to exit here, go to asset S03 and hit enter. Asset value, I'll show you what is the change. Here it is an unplanned depreciation, if you see, and this is the posting new entries has been come here in the new, and same is it's in a posted value. So posted value here it is, there is no unplanned depreciation. So I'll show you when it is going to reflect. Here it is an unplanned depreciation. It's an planned depreciation and unplanned depreciation here. It's a planned depreciation. This is an unplanned depreciation. Once I make a depreciation, automatically it will post to the period. Now I'm going with the AFAB for month end depreciation. So once you unplanned depreciation has posted, you must run the depreciation AFAB, otherwise it will not impact 7th period. Now I'm going with the total and test run. Execute here. Here it is. Indian gap and IFRS gap. This will be 10. So it will go into a reflect here. So 190, it means it is a depreciation. Now I'm going with the depreciation. If I'm going with the detailed run, see, it's a detailed depreciation of 6007. A little bit difference will be going to take place. Let us see. Now I'm going with the check mark and execute. Immediate check. Save here. Now the depreciation has been run. SM37. We check it. My job has been executed or not. Yes, it is. It was executed and finished, and it is green. Looks like. Now yes, 03. I'm going to check here. Master data. Asset value. See one. This one is an we already watched here. So in the last transaction before the AFAB, but now it is in after AFAB. This is reflection here. This is a depreciation which is difference in the days. So it will be planned depreciation also posted with the unplanned, but our unplanned will be only 200. So there is any changes in the asset, then only planned depreciation has been done. Now the net book value is here. So this is the now, and then if you go with the comparison here, so you see this is an unplanned depreciation. This is the ordinary depreciation for the year. These are for the year I'm talking about. The year 2022, 23, 24, and 25. There is a total depreciation of ordinary depreciation, and this is unplanned depreciation. This is your net. This is a net book value, and this is a scrap value. Net book value will be remain 810. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'm coming with the new videos, and next video I'm going with the reversal of depreciation. Watch and like it, subscribe, so you'll get the new video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.